Good morning. It's Kendra and William here. We are dressed up. I am a witch today.
And I am a wizard.
So we are headed to Bowling Green, Kentucky to do a Cluedupp game. It is a app that you download and you buy a ticket. The ticket includes like 6 people. But today's theme, it's a scavenger hunt. So today's theme is
Witches and wizards.
And so we've got to come up with, it's really fun. So we'll take you along, we'll show you what's going on. So you can have 6 players. We're going to have 5 today. Everybody plays along on their phone. There's little games. We have to run all over the town. So we've done a little bit of everything. So this is our 4th one. We've done Alice in Wonderland already. We've done Smurfs. Then we did
Beauty and the Beast.
And you may have seen that video. So we did film Beauty and the Beast. And today is Wizards and Witches. So come along with us.
Your head swims. As your eyes adjust, you see a figure huddled over a cauldron. The crow now perched calmly on her shoulder. She claps her hands together and turns to stare at you, grinning. Old Gertie appears much younger than her name would have you believe. Ah, I see. Expecting the old crone, were you? Her smile widens as her appearance flickers.
Oh no, his belt fell off.
Well, at least it's a pattern. Oh no, that's his tail.
Did he make it?
Yeah.
Is he coming back for us?
I think we go to him, maybe.
Thank you.
Thanks.
You're in it. So
Okay, we have a solo lobby.
I don't know
And
which way to
this
go.
is a
I don't
map
either.
runaway. You have to reach the target within the time limit. And Adam, our brown Merlin, has decided that he is in charge today.
All right.
Oh, he goes.
There goes Merlin.
He does realize he's just run into his car.
Communication with Aquarius Black. Isn't he locked up?
Yes, but he and I have worked together for many years. Plenty of ways to pass messages if you do decide to pass them to you.
Solo lobby. Look around for the answer, okay?
Who's in charge? I am. Okay, go for it.
Sometimes to drink from, sometimes to play in, but often to marvel as it to what I might hear.
No, drink from that fountain. Good job. Good work. So Cedric Center. At the request of the society, I've been trailing him since the Phoenix Pots incident. He's mostly kept to himself. He's always been arrogant, thinks he's better than the rest, that only he can safely handle darker magic. He and Theodora Thackeray made an odd but good couple for a while, but recently he's been a recluse. As you saw, he's been obsessed with mirrors and demons. His secret journal mentioned Skylar Spickle, right? I haven't heard that name in many years. She was his apprentice, prone to dabbling in the dark arts. She was killed when an experiment backfired. Cedric Centra took the blame. It's how he got his scar. There's 3 actions.
Skylar Spickled was killed. Is that how you say his last name? Yep.
Yes, there were a few unverified sightings of her ghost a few years back, but you can't trust ghost stories, can you?
Was Cedric guilty of Skylar Spickle's death?
wasn't the cause. She brought it up on herself. It did mean his removal from the society, however. That kind of magic use is not tolerated.
Who did you follow? You said
Surrender.
yeah, surrender.
Aquarius Black. But during the Phoenix Pots incident, when he was still head of the society, since the takeover, I've kept a low profile. Politics aren't my...
Bloom and wither constantly. Wizards are weeping, others talking in hushed tones. Noticing you, a junior wizard comes over. Terrible news, and after all the recent upheaval of her leadership bid, you explain that you're here to investigate, and the young wizard nods gravely. Of course, you have freedom of...
So we're playing Scrabble with 2 words.
T-I-O-N is normally...
Off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz, a one, da 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 da.
Are you waving at people?
Oh no,
You spot the young woman matching. She reaches down to the gutter and gently strokes the leaves of a small woodsy. Sorry, she notices you. Who are you? She stammers. Marjorie Maleficent, you explain and use the magic to relax the effect.
Little Aquarius Black, such a dear friend.
Yes, I could not. Something called me back here and I tried to think.
Here are some bonus pictures from the day. We've got to take pictures because there is a competition that you can send into their Facebook page during the day of the event, and they give out prizes for like best group picture, best, well, as you see, we won the best dressed team and the best group picture on this day. So what that gives you is a free ticket to one of their next games. The next game is CSI, and that's going to be in April 2024. It is a little bit of a challenge to try to video these games because we are zigzagging all over the town. We are seeing things, we are going across streets, we're stopping and reading. Sometimes one of the guys will take off running, trying to do one of the quests. So to keep everybody in the frame and see what's going on. And then of course, I think we only play on windy days, and we've been having things on our heads fly off. It's a fun challenge. I highly recommend everybody check out Cluedupp games, and maybe we'll see you out there.